Hi, everyone. If you've been looking for the best Bokeh camera app for Android or want to record amazing videos with a professional blurred background, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and start using a Bokeh camera app on your Android phone in 2026. Stay until the end because I'll also share a few simple tips that can dramatically improve the quality of your photos and videos.